Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start immediately. Make sure the WH-1000XM4 has at least 20% battery and turn the headset off. Once done, remove it from your phone or laptop Bluetooth list so pairing data won't interfere. You'll also open the Sony Headphones Connect app on your phone for a later firmware check. That app can reinitialize settings smoothly. Now power is off and the app is ready. Next, we'll perform the hardware reset that clears pairing and networks. You'll do the core reset now. With the headset off, press and hold the power button and the noise cancel/ambient buttons simultaneously for about 7 seconds. When you see a rapid blue flash, the headset has cleared Bluetooth pairing data and network settings. That's why you hold both buttons together. Once you see that flash, release the buttons and wait a few seconds. If nothing happens, try again firmly or try holding while the device is on then off to force the reset. After the reset, put the headset into Bluetooth pairing by holding power about 7 seconds until the red/blue LED flashes, then pair from your device. Once connected, open Sony Headphones Connect to check and install any firmware updates and reconfigure noise control and EQ. If pairing or functions still fail, use the app's initialize option to factory restore, or fully drain the battery, charge, and repeat the reset. These steps clear stubborn firmware states and usually resolve lingering issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.